Naimbag nga rabi tayo amin karuba, may saman nga sa miweng para kada tayo amin, aglalo kadagiti nakisina kadagiti asawa da. The first scene was the church, then the altar. While we claim each other with tears of joy we cried. Our friends wish us luck there forever as we walk from the church side by side.
The next scene was a crowded courtroom, and like strangers we sat side by side. Then I heard the judge made his decision, and no longer were we man and wife.
Side of the courtroom where man-made lush pools got lost aside. Then the clerk wrote a story in the record. I church the courtroom and then goodbye.
That courtroom together, we shook hands and once again we cried that it was the end of our story. A church, a courtroom, and then goodbye.
Courtroom together, we shook hands and once again we cried.
Then it was the end of our story. A church, a courtroom, and then
kita mga aso, dito lang nga makatututor. At
Ako
tabalugan. Tita tirigat na nagre-record kami tirwarta apo, tita gari ti aso, amin sa karubag at sa upat da nga aso, di pa ikat.
Oh, maruti karuba.
Nagaduda. Anyway, may isang sonata ko na akon para kadagiti nakisina kadagiti asawa da, ket sabi ko makat masair dagiti ri nayo nga makangeg.
Jati masair.
Masair, matouch.
Ay.
Masagid dagiti ri nayo.
Aya.
Nga haan nga tagay nakasukat ay buto pa iti bado.
Siga, sakit maya pangbalay.
Naibang karabi ito amin karuba.